Okay, sorry, I couldn't balance that very well. Hi, Felix. This one's just for you. I hope that you're doing okay with your move. I know it's hard moving from one house to another and getting used to it, getting used to a new room, but I think you'll adapt. I think it's going okay. So for today, I wanted to review the touch math that we started before we left school. Because I want to get into actually doing some addition with you, because you're really good with your counting and your one-to-one correspondence, and so yeah, I just wanted to review that. So if you remember, here's our class iPad. If you remember, I don't know how close I can get. Let me see. Okay, so nope, I'm wrong. So there's our iPad. Do you remember this little icon? It's called TM Counting. And you clicked on that. And it's a free app, so Mom can put it on your iPad for you. And then you'd go to, why is there no sound? I don't know. Okay, so do you remember you would hit the dots that they give you to hit, and then I'm not going to do the whole demonstration because that would be annoying. So you'd hit the 1 and then done, next, done, next, and then for 2 they show you what to do. And then you'd go 1, 2. And then you'd hit done. And then you'd hit continue. And there's 3. Maybe I will do the whole thing. So they'll show you 1, 2, 3. They'll show you where the spots are. Then you hit them 1, 2, 3. Done. Continue. And so here are the touch points for 4. I don't know why they're all bears. That's weird. Okay, so then you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Continue. And then here's your touch points for 5. Oh, now they're piggies. Okay, I guess they're just random animals. Okay, so then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now 6 gets different, because once you get to the big numbers, you have to tap it twice if it has 2 on there. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done. Now 7's trickier because 7 has some places that you tap twice and some places that you only tap once. See? Okay, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this one only needs to be tapped once because there's only 1, so 7. Done. We'll just go to 9 and then 8's pretty easy because it's an even number, so you only have to tap each of them twice. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, done. Continue. All right, 9 is the hardest one. It's got the most steps. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you've got your 1 over there. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Done. Okay, so I think you remember how to do that, and then maybe you can practice on your own iPad. So when we start doing touch math in the classroom, if we ever get back there, it's not gonna always be bears and pigs, and it's not always gonna be on the iPad. So I just wanted to show you, I forgot my eraser, where is it? Hold on. I need an eraser. So I'm just gonna show you what it might look like when we start doing it on, worksheets and stuff. So 1 is just gonna look like this. 1, then there's gonna be your dot, okay? And so when you count that, you're just gonna go 1, and that's it. You can tap it with your finger, you can tap it with your pencil, whatever you wanna do. And then 2 looks like this. Okay, you've got 1, 2. So when you count that, you're just gonna say 1, 2, okay? When you do 3, also pretty easy. You're gonna say 1, 2, 3, and you're just gonna go 1, 2, 3, okay? Now 4, just like on the app. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're just gonna tap it with your pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how many. Okay. Now you wanna do 5. This one's funny shaped. So 1, 2, 3, 1 on his belly, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now 6. Now since I can't draw animals and bears and whatever, and your worksheets aren't gonna have them either. So when I draw something like this, or when you see something like this, the touch point with a circle around it, that means you tap it 2 times. So I'm gonna draw my touch point with a circle, touch point with a circle. I know to tap that twice, so I know how many. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? Now let's do 7. So again, you're gonna have your touch point and your circle, your touch point and your circle, your touch point and your circle, and then just a single touch point with no circle because you're only gonna tap that one time. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just like that. And now 8 is pretty easy because it's an even number, like I said. So touch point with a circle, touch point with a circle, touch point with a circle, touch point with a circle. So you're gonna tap all of them 2 times. So you're gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? All right, the last one, because we're only gonna stay in single digits. We're gonna do 9, and it's got a lot of touch points. So you start up here, touch point, circle, touch point, circle. How many are there? Wait, okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh wait, I think there's a touch point and circle here too. Touch point, circle. And then at the bottom, touch point, circle. And then you've got a single one right here. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That one doesn't have a circle, so I'm just gonna tap it once, 9. Okay, so the reason we have these is so that we can add numbers together without memorizing all of the addition facts, because sometimes that's not fun. So let's start with something easy. I'm gonna do 2, 1, 2, plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's my equation, 2 plus 3. So instead of memorizing what 2 plus 3 is, or getting out bears or a number line or any sort of other manipulative, you can just count the points. So you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your answer is 5. Okay, So you're just counting the points and then you've got your answer. So for the next one, let's just try, how about 4 plus 3? So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 on my 4. Then I've got 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to count all those touch points so I can find out what 4 plus 3 equals. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There were 7 touch points. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. Easy enough, right? It gets a little trickier when you get above 5 and you get to the touch points that have circles and you have to tap them twice because sometimes you might forget. So let's try 6. So touch point circle, touch point circle, touch point circle. And let's just add something really easy. Let's just add 2. So touch point, touch point. Okay, so I'm going to start up here. I have to tap these twice because they have a circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So I've got my 8, and that's the answer. Now sometimes you'll get 2 numbers that you have to tap twice. So let's maybe try 6 plus 7. So I've got touch point circle, touch point circle, touch point circle, and then your lonely touch point there. So I'm only gonna double tap the ones with the circles. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I only tap that once because there's no circle. So 6 plus 7 equals 13. And then you don't have to memorize that. You can just count your touch points and your circles. And let's just do one more just for practice. Let's do a hard one just to end with. Let's do 9. So I forgot this guy. He kind of looks like a frog or something. And then the lone one here, and then let's add 8. Touch point circle, touch point circle, touch point circle, touch point circle. Okay. So let's 9 plus 8. It'll be our almost biggest sum we could have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then I got that lone one, 17. I like to do my lone ones last. 17. So 9 plus 8 equals 17, and we can do all of that just using touch points. And you don't have to memorize it, and you don't have to use anything to count other than your touch points on your numbers. So hopefully we'll get to that soon, whenever we're able to go back to school. I hope you're enjoying your Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday, and I hope your house is nice. And say hi to your mom and dad for me and Cyrus. And thanks for watching. I miss you.